Hi friends, welcome back to the Hillside. I'm going to be planting my sweet potato slips today. And I showed in a few other videos how to create your sweet potato slips. Basically, you're going to take a regular sweet potato, put it in a jar, fill the jar halfway with water, put the potato in there, and eventually it'll start growing out these slips. What I did was I snipped off the slips. I just literally broke them off and then put them in another jar with water. And then you'll get something that looks like this. Once it has roots, you're ready to plant and you can grow your own sweet potatoes from one store-bought sweet potato. Today is planting day, so let's head on over and go planting. Got my containers all ready with the manure and the potting soil and some of my organic soil that I had. Mixed it all together and now it's ready for planting. I have my sweet potato slips here and I'm just gonna take them out of the jar. See all the roots? I have lots of sweet potato slips here. I'm gonna put about 4 or 5 slips per container here, and I'm just gonna simply just make a little hole and pop it in. Make sure the roots are all covered, and it's that easy. There, I got 5 slips in each. I'm gonna plant some of them in my raised beds because I do have some extra space in there that I can put some of these slips in.
Now, in order to have one sweet potato last you basically forever, all you have to do is, once you get your harvest from this year's potatoes, make sure you keep a few of them back and keep them in your cupboard for the entire winter. Make sure they stay nice and dry, and then next year you can do the exact same thing by putting those sweet potatoes in the water, waiting for the slips to grow, and then you can take those slips and plant them again in your garden. So basically you can purchase one potato and make it last forever and never have to purchase sweet potatoes ever again. You can also do this with regular potatoes as well. You buy it once and then every year you keep some back that you want to use for your seed stock for next year.
That was it. I still have a few sweet potato slips here that I'm gonna pop into some of my smaller containers, and I'll just leave them out with the rest over there. Thank you for joining me for this very sweaty, hot episode. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay peaceful.